Edema can occur on any part of the body, including skin, legs, arms, and ankle. Cherry stems detox your body through urination, thereby preventing edema. Bloating, which happens due to the menstrual cycle, can be cured by cherry stems because of its toxins removal capability. Cherry stems are a rich source of anti-inflammatory properties that purify kidneys. It is also helpful in the treatment of kidney stones and lumps. Cherry tails have olive oils along with potassium salts, having diuretic properties that improve kidney health. Furthermore, it has antioxidant properties, helping to remove toxins from the entire body. Urinary tract infection caused by harmful bacteria results in pain during urination. Cherry stems have anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and depurative properties fight against UTI. It has healing and antioxidant properties that give your body a calming effect. Cherry stems are useful in weight loss. It's a great detoxifier that removes all toxins and fats from your body. Cherry tails also have laxative properties, which gives you a smooth bowel movement. Cherry stems are beneficial in gout and rheumatism, both diseases related to joints, tendons, ligaments, bones, and muscles. It has anti-inflammatory properties and flavonoids that strengthen joints, tendons, and also eradicates free radicals.